Hi my loves, it is the weekend and today we have a couple of things planned, so I want to take you along with me. First thing that we're going to do is take the girls to their soccer game. Both of them have soccer games today, and then after that I'm gonna go pick up my new camera. So I'm gonna take you along with me. I'm not really sure on which one I'm gonna get, but hopefully I can make a decision once I get there, and then I'll come back here, unbox it for you guys, show you the one that I got, and hopefully start using it today. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, and if you want to see what camera I'm gonna get today, then just keep on watching. Sure do.
Which one are you getting?
So I ended up getting the Sony ZV-1. I was in between this camera and the Canon G7X, I think it's called. But after talking to someone at Best Buy and learning about both cameras, I decided this one would be better for me, especially because I want to pick up on vlogging and I want to continue creating those try-on hauls for you guys because I know you guys really enjoy them, but I need better quality. So I think this camera is going to be perfect for me and I am super excited to start using it. Hey guys, it's Sunday. I couldn't vlog yesterday. When I turned on the camera, it was actually dead, so I had to leave it charging. So I left it charging overnight and I'm going to take it out today, but I also wanted to show you this. Oops. I wanted to show you this. I also got this with the camera. It is the vlogger kit. It's a tripod and it comes with a memory card, which I think is so handy because I was definitely looking for a memory card and I had no idea this brought one. So I'm going to unbox it. It comes with a battery, so I don't have to charge it, but this is what it looks like. Super cool because you can control the camera through here, and it does bring a memory card, which was here somewhere. Oh yeah, it's right here. So I'm going to turn on the camera, set it up, and we'll see how it looks.
But don't you need to see,
Prepare an image database file, please wait. Oh, I love it. Okay, so come here.
Me?
Yes, so we're gonna sit here and we're going to film. Let's see how this works. Okay.
Yeah?
Side
Yes.
by side, I think the camera looks so much better, right?
Yeah, it looks clear. Like here
really
has like a yellow.
Yes,
And
very
here
yellow.
has like a white.
I love this. Yeah, I look a lot sharper here, and the colors are so much better than here.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get used to looking at the camera instead
And not the
of
viewfinder.
yeah.
I know, me too. But this one looks so much better than that. So I'm so glad I got that. We are going to
Tarjay!
We're going to Tarjay. To get what?
To get
We don't even know. No, we need Perrier. We need a couple of things. So let's see what we got.
Mommy got a thing. Mommy, tell Puppy not to.
Why are you guys like this?
Because Bella's crazy.
Bella wants a blanket.
Give me the blanket.
No.
Oh my
The
god.
scoop
you're
on
gonna-
the tea. Mommy, tell Poppy that you're gonna buy some. Ouch, my toes.
Look.
Okay, so we just got back home from Target. We got a couple of things, more than what we expected. But anyways, I wanted to do outfit check. I actually just got this sweater today from Abercrombie. I am obsessed. super cozy. It was actually the perfect outfit today because it got a little cold. My leggings are from Aerie. These are like the high-waisted ones, and I have my Reebok on. But yeah, this was my outfit today. Super, super comfy. And I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. The girls have to go to bed. They have school tomorrow, and I have to package some orders. So I am shipping this, and also this is going out. So I have to package these and put them together to drop them off tomorrow morning. I love this one. I actually wanted to keep this, but I might just have to get another one for myself. It's so, so cute. But yeah, guys, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my first vlog. I am still working on it. Like, I'm not 100% sure on how to vlog and how to be a little bit more comfortable, so I'm definitely working on it. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.